There has been a big dent that we've seen come in for the Baltic Dry Index yet again.
Thank you very much for that. From commodities to equities, back again. Business updates coming in from the BFSI space, and now it's from HDFC Bank and Yes Bank. Abhishek is here joining in with the details. Abhishek?
Well, Rima, HDFC Bank has actually disappointed on the loan growth front. So to begin with, deposits are up 19.9% YoY and about 3.6% quarter-on-quarter. Now, we are seeing this transition happen with every bank that retail investors or largely who had CASA deposit franchise, they are moving away in a rising interest rate scenario from low cost or, low interest earning CASA deposit to higher term deposits. So CASA in absolute value is up just 0.5% quarter-on-quarter. The CASA ratio is at 8-quarter low of 44%. Now, loan growth, that's disappointed. It's up 19.5% YoY, perhaps the weakest in last 4 quarters, and it's up just 1.8% quarter-on-quarter, which means that they have lost out on market share on a sequential basis, and it's the weakest growth in 6 quarters, maybe led by the fact that, a corporate book might have declined on a sequential basis. So, X of pool or the agreement of loans that they have with HDFC Limited, the loan growth is at 19.5% YoY and about 1.9% quarter-on-quarter. Their credit to deposit ratio, that's declined sharply and is at 5-quarter low of 86.9%. So you can see some net interest margin compression on a sequential basis as and when they release the results. Yes Bank, it's a mixed bag given the fact that deposit growth is pretty robust, growing at 15.9% YoY and 6.8% quarter-on-quarter. The CASA has also held up well, growing at about 14% YoY and 3% quarter-on-quarter. The dip in CASA ratio is just 10 basis point quarter-on-quarter. Advances growth, that continues to remain weak, and they have lost market share both YoY and quarter-on-quarter. The YoY growth is 11.7%, while sequential loan growth is a little more than 2%. Liquidity coverage ratio, now that's improved quarter-on-quarter to 119.5% when compared to 105% in the previous quarter. Back to you.
All right, thanks a lot for that, Abhishek. Let's slip into a quick break on that note, but when we come back, we'll talk more about the markets. Which, by the way, is still down quite a bit. I mean, down over 120 points, so no recovery really. Mitesh Thakkar of earningwaves.com will be joining in to give us some top trading bets for the rest of the day. Stay tuned.